first day that I started my Halftrack. I had shipped tack home from Africa, and Halftrack arrived at my house on April 1st, 2007. My goal was to have it running by the 4th of July, and I was able to get that done. So the video here is the first day that I fired it up. I actually fired it up twice just to make sure the thing ran before I put it on the video. Please enjoy. This really kind of started off my whole thought about recovering and restoring or preserving military vehicles. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Thank you.
Well, I finally have her put back together, and we've tried it a couple of times. Seems to be running fairly well, although it has a slight miss, and I'm sure the timing needs to be adjusted. Let's push the starter button here and see how she sounds. We got to put the switch on. I guess that helps. Needs a little spark. That's just a slight knock in number one. I know I have a bad head bolt, so I'm getting a little bit of blow-by, lack of compression slightly down. But for having sat all these years, it runs pretty good.